Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The most special feature of Jiayi County's Juqi Railway Station is the beams of timber from Alishan used in its construction. The station is also the starting point for the famous Alishan Forest Railway that transports passengers up the mountain. In addition to the famous Alishan Railway trip, check out the water park, Guanyin Waterfall and Dagong Old Trail, all of which are definitely worth a visit.
位在嘉义县竹崎乡的竹崎车站是用阿里山块木建造成的，是阿里山森林铁道登山路段的起点。造访竹崎乡，除了著名的阿里山铁道之旅，还可以到清水公园、观音瀑布、大坑古道等景点一游。Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿炳哥 Leo。
你好，大家好，我是 Josephine. And I'm very happy today because I want to talk about a place that I think is just beautiful and it's great. 今天很开心的要介绍一个这个乡镇呢是非常有名的在嘉义县的竹崎乡。This is in Jiayi County, Juqi Township. And the reason it's famous is because it is the starting point for 阿里山啊。阿里山很漂亮。
错啊。
哦，这个地方叫竹崎乡，我们用客家来教大家怎么念。
好，嘉义县。
嘉义县，那是嘉义县，
嘉义县
，That's Jiayi County。
竹家乡。
竹家乡，哈，
竹家乡。
竹崎乡。And again, the reason why it's famous is because it's the starting point for the railway into 阿里山。它其实就是等于是阿里山铁路的起点，好像是不是？
错啊。这片很有名的就会给偏档。
不会吧？那个什么很有名的奋起湖是不是？
对，就在那附近。
If you've been to Taiwan, you gotta check this place out. You have to go to the Ali Mountain.
阿里山。
哦，其实很像，然后阿里山 ，That's the Ali Mountain, and you have to have their lunchbox over there. It's very famous. It's well known island wide, and it's called a 奋起湖 lunchbox， 也就是奋起湖便当。
奋起湖。偏档。
Okay, 偏档 is 便当。That means it's time to eat, whether it's a lunchbox or a dinner box. All right, so you got to go check it out again. This is in Jiayi County, 竹崎乡。
竹家乡。
There's 阿里山。
阿里山。
And you want to eat their 便当。
偏档
at 奋起湖。
奋起湖。
All right, enjoy the meal, enjoy the ride, and have a great time in Ali San. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
安子谁张来了？
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.